Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make strawberry sauce. To make strawberry sauce, you would need 2 cups of frozen or fresh strawberries, 1/3 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In a pan, combine strawberries, sugar, and vanilla extract. Cook on low heat. Let it simmer for a few minutes and cook on low heat. Next, press strawberries with a spatula. When all the juice is out of strawberries, put half of the cooked mixture into the blender and make a puree. Then mix it back into the rest of the cooked strawberries. Then let it cool before spreading it onto your cakes. If you would like to make the strawberry sauce a little more tarty, you can add lemon juice. Turn off the heat and puree half of the strawberry sauce mixture. Add half of the puree into the cup. Puree the mixture. Then add the puree back into the pan. Mix. Let it cool before spreading on your cakes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.